Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you if your computer or laptop mouse is not working properly, then this video will help you. So friend, here I'm going to share with you how you can easily update drivers in your computer, and also I'm going to share with you advanced mouse setting in Windows 11. So keep watching. This video will help you to improve the performance of your mouse. So stay tuned. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open mouse setting. So here we are going to check out mouse setting. You simply search mouse, and friend, here you will get mouse settings. You simply click on it, and friend, here you will see lots of options are available over here. Okay, so what you will do, simply disable and enable these things first, like this. Okay, and close it, and now again search mouse settings and then enable it. Okay, this is the first thing. Second option you will see over here, line to scroll at a time. Okay, so here what you will do, simply increase and decrease the value. So this will automatically reset the value of your mouse. Okay, here you will see scroll inactive windows when hovered over them. Okay, you simply disable these things and then close it again, and then again open it. Okay, so this will help you. Okay, this is the scrolling, this is the active window, so this will help you to scroll. If maybe your back window is showing, and whenever you hover the mouse on that place, that time scrolling is also working, but here we disable it. Okay, and here down, motion scroller down, you simply click on here. Okay, so what happened when you scrolling down, then this will change it. Okay, again we are going to select on it. So this is the settings of the mouse. You simply change it, so this will reflect to instruction to your mouse. Okay, they simply close it down, and now we are going to update the drivers of it. Okay, so simply search device, you simply click on it, device manager, and here friend you will see the mouse icon things is available. You simply click on this arrow button and then click on this HID complaint mouse option. You simply click on it. What you will do, first you uninstall these things, and then you click on this search hardware. Okay, so your mouse will showing over here, and second option what you will do, simply right click on it and then click on this update driver. Okay, and here you simply click on search automatically for drivers. You simply click on it and it will find out the drivers online, and if maybe your driver will not installed, then this will stall. Okay, you simply click on it, and also you can disable and enable these things. You simply click yes and your mouse will disable, and then you find out over here and then enable it. Okay, so your mouse will enable. Okay, so friend, by this way you can enable and disable the things of your mouse. So this will help you to improve the performance of your mouse. So friend, if this video helped you, then please click on like button and comment me below this video help you. And if maybe you have any queried question, you can also ask your question in our comment section, so I will give you the answer. And if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.